Does it work?
Of course not.
What do you mean? Didn't work very well. Brand new. Not much. AJ? No, that's Samoa Joe. We might have to get that. Samoa Joe. Ooh. Oh my gosh. No. Price.
Oh, thank you.
There's a big
Yeah.
spike thing on the bottom.
Tower there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. Throw that one.
That's actually old.
Yeah.
It's like real old.
I still got that whole bag. I need to list those. I'll get them though. That's a decent one, but no battery covered. Hey! No. Samoa Joe. He's in pretty good condition too. TNA. Probably not worth anything, but he's cool. Let's see here. Sencor. What's the model?
Model
LC.
LC53.
Looks like somebody sold one for $345.
They sold it for that?
Mm-hmm.
I was going to put 50 bucks on it.
$345, $191 parts only.
Okay.
So that means it's not even working.
I don't need any. Wow.
Definitely put more than 50 on it.
Yes.
What we got over here? Is this new or old?
Look at this. These people are actually rebuilding the stuff from.
Oh, that's kind of cool. What do you think?
I'm going to go ahead and leave. This is
Yeah.
pathetic.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm
By the way,
not feeling it.
how do you shut off the cell phone to reload it? Or
Like totally turn it off. I think you hold down these two, slide it.
wait a minute.
So you hold down this button and this top button,
Oh.
middle button right
Right
here.
now, turn it back on, do the same thing.
Yeah. And there you go.
Okay. But you have to hold. This
I don't know if
Well,
you.
I tried holding just this one, but didn't do it.
Yeah, to turn it off, you have to hold down both, but I think you can turn it on
Yes.
just with that one.
Thank you.
I don't turn mine off very often.
Oh, I don't either, but oh, look at that.
You got you a lollipop. Wild cherry. Looks pretty clean too.
You gonna be here tomorrow?
I should be.
Okay. Oh, how about a marble?
Hey, what's with
a nice
the
one.
pine cones?
I don't know. Somebody's whole collection's here.
Gentlemen, see you all tomorrow, I hope.
Yeah. Hopefully we make it. See you, Bryce. We'll try it again tomorrow, right? All right. You gonna take a nap?
Just saying how well it holds up. It still had all the tags on it and everything.
Brand new, huh?
Yeah. It was used maybe once, you could tell by the bottom. How do you tell if these are worth anything or not? Like, just by looking.
So the old ones will have like a marking right here, and you want the one that says Fun World, but there's other ones that are good that are Easter Unlimited marked right here.
Okay.
But there's a whole,
Generic, then.
yeah, that one's newer. There's a whole thing with those, like,
I know, it's crazy.
and they're really hard to identify, like which one is which.
Yeah.
You really have to like look at them and do your research. Woo. If that wasn't disgusting, that'd probably be good.
What is it?
Speaker. It's all sticky. Yep. The hell is this? Pick that up.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, whoa. Damn. That has a really cool look. It's all broken on the bottom though. I think it's one of those that you paint at the place. What about this? Got a dirty... No, I don't want it. Boy, there's a bunch of stuff that doesn't really spark me. Does not juice me. Except for this. up spending $10.65 in there. I got in there pretty late today. Wasn't feeling it. But I said I was going to make a video every day, so that was the driving force for me going in today. And I'm glad I found a couple things, but did not find much. I think the best thing I found was probably the Google Chromecast that is still in the box, brand new sealed. I was kind of shocked that it had some value. I think it was like 40 to 60 bucks or something. But I'm gonna go into Walmart here, see if they have any Pokemon cards. Just gonna open up one of these, but I got a few of them. So this has Phantasmal Flames and Mega Evolution inside of it with a Raikou. Is that a holo? Yeah. And you get 2 packs, so we're gonna open this up real quick. Let's open Mega Evolution up first. Just a regular holo. Okay, so not much in that. Let's see. Dang. Just a regular holo. Alright, well, we struck out on those. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.